Here's how to install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. Open your browser and go to whatsapp.com. Click the download button. The site will detect your operating system automatically and offer the correct version. The installer will download to your computer. Open the installer file from your Downloads folder, and WhatsApp will install automatically with no configuration steps required. Once finished, it will open on its own. To link it to your phone, this is required since WhatsApp on desktop works as a companion to your mobile account. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, then Linked Devices, and click Link a Device. Scan the QR code shown on your PC screen with your phone's camera, and your account will connect instantly. A tip: WhatsApp Desktop works without your phone being on or connected to Wi-Fi once set up, unlike older versions that required your phone to be online at all times. Keep the desktop app updated since this feature requires a current version to function reliably. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.